you doing today? So I'm super excited for this video because I'm going to be talking about a monthly subscription service for earrings called Earfleek. This video is sponsored, but all opinions are my own honest thoughts, so I would never lead you guys astray. I think this service is actually super cool. First off, it is really affordable. It's only $3.49 a month, and if you guys want to, you can use my code amyloves and get your first month for only $1.75 just to try it out, because I do think it's really super fun, especially if you like earrings and jewelry and you don't want to pay a ton to, you know, get some unique items for your collection. So basically how this works is you can go onto their website, and I have it pulled up here just to show you guys, and the first step is you get to choose your style. They have 4 different to choose from. The first one is silly and fun, and these are kind of more fun, just kind of out there type of earrings, and they give you quite a few examples. You can kind of look at them and decide if that's the type of earrings you would wear. And then they have minimalist but groovy, which again, they have little examples, and this is the style that I chose. I feel like that fit me the best. And then next they have boho babe, and again, a few different options, and just, you don't get to choose your particular pair, but you do get to see what you're kind of working with and what you're maybe gonna get. And then the last style is called I Don't Give a Hoot, which I think is super cute, and it basically just means you don't know which style is yours, you don't really care, you're open to it all. So basically you just get a random style, a random pair for the month. I also just wanted to mention really quickly that it does say on here that every earring is 100% nickel free, which is great if you do have more sensitive skin. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. It just comes in a cute little envelope. I'm kind of going to cover most of it because it does have my address and whatnot on it. So this is what the little envelope looks like. It's just a nice, tiny little size. And then the back has a cute little quote which says, "A girl should be 2 things, classy and fabulous." The sticker is covering the speaker of that quote, but I'm like 100% sure that it is Coco Chanel. So just a nice cute little design, lots of pink polka dots, and then you can just go ahead and open up the inside. Okay, so it just comes packaged like this. So you've got your earrings and some bubble wrap, and then there's just a nice little card here that says, "Hey girl, here's a fun pair of earrings I personally selected just for you. Hope you love your new bling. Your stylist, Rachel S. P.S. Share your new look. Hashtag Earfleek." So you can post online, and then they also have support at earfleek.com in case you have any problems. And I really quickly did want to mention that the first pair that I got were broken. They had like just one like little part of it had snapped off, and they were super quick to obviously send another pair. So I'm sure you guys will think, oh, that's because you're sponsored, but they said that they, you know, wanted me to be very transparent about it, that if that does happen to you guys, that you can just email them right away. They will send a replacement or offer you a refund for the month if the earring is broken, and that they pride themselves in their customer service. So I thought that was really great. So let's just get into the good stuff here, the actual earrings. Again, like I said, they're in bubble wrap, and then they come in like this nice little pouch just to keep them safe. Okay, so the 2 earrings are here. They're just kind of being held together by this little noodle, which I think is cute. So I'm gonna just kind of show you guys up close. So here's what the earrings look like. They're just like rose gold, super cute little dangly, very minimalistic but groovy. I'm just gonna go ahead and try these on for y'all real quick, if I can get them out of the noodle. Oh, there we go. So don't mind the fact that I have like the reddest ears of life, but these are actually super cute, very minimalistic, but just I really like them, and they're not heavy on the ears at all. They're not tugging or anything, because I never wear heavy earrings. So I really like these. I think they're definitely my style. I would definitely wear these in the future. So that's pretty much everything for this video. I think this service is super cool, and I would definitely recommend you guys trying it out if you like earrings. Again, like I said, super affordable, less than $5 a month. So Really, really cool, really fun. I mean, I could even see like getting like 2 different styles a month because it's so affordable, just to try everything out. So like I said, if you guys want to try my code amyloves, you can get your first month for only $1.75. You literally can't beat that for a pair of earrings. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.